Are you curious about what we do? We unravel criminal mysteries. We oversee the finances of major enterprises. We shape the environment around you, both private and public. We partner with artificial intelligence. We develop innovative programs and safeguard your online security. We design extraordinary cars. And distribute everyday vehicles globally. We're building our city and our nation. We all began as students at the University of Technology and Economics. You can start your journey there too. Are you ready?